3, 2, 1, go.
About group policy object. Is a group policy object.
A group policy object, or GPO, is a collection of group policy settings that define what a system will look like and how it will behave for a defined group of users.
Group policy provides a method of centralizing configuration, settings, and management of operating systems, computer settings, and user settings in a Microsoft IT environment.
What are the structures of a group policy object?
A GPO is divided into two main parts. Computer configuration applies settings to computers within the domain, including startup, script, software, installation, and security policies. User configuration applies settings to user profiles such as desktop configurations, folder redirections, and Internet Explorer settings.
What are the benefits of a group policy object?
Group policy object. Number 1. More efficient management. GPO already in place apply a standardized environment to all new users and computers that join an organization's domain, saving time on setup.
Is administration system administrators can deploy software patches and other updates via GPO.
Number 3, better password policy enforcement. GPO determine password length, refuse rules, and establish for other requirements for password to keep a company's network safe.
4. Configuring folder redirections. GPOs enable companies to ensure users are keeping important company files on a centralized and monitored storage system. For instance, an organization can direct the user's document folder, which usually stores on a local drive, to a new network location.
Are there any limitations to GPO?
Number 1. They run sequentially. GPO process action one after another. Consequently, if many GPO have to be configured, it can take a long time for users to log on.
Limitation of GPOs. Flexibility is limited. GPOs can only be applied to users or computers, so they are limited when it comes to applying settings based on context.
Limitation of GPO. Number 3. Limited trigger. GPO can only be applied at computer startup when a user logged on or to set interval. GPO can't react to changes in environment such as network disconnect or reconnect.
Number 4. Difficult to maintain. There's no built-in search or filter option not to find a specific setting within a GPO, making it difficult to find or fix issues with existing settings.
Number 5. No version control. Changes made to GPU settings are outdated, so if incorrect changes made, it's impossible to tell what the change was or who made it.
Are there any examples of GPOs?
Example of GPOs. A GPO might specify the home page that is first displayed when a user launches Internet Explorer. When the user logs on to the domain, that group policy object is retrieved and applied to the configuration of the user's Internet Explorer.
Example of GPOs. An organization can deploy shared network printer connection to user from a specific OU of Active Directory by using group policy. So when a user logs into Windows, an assigned network printer will automatically appear in the list of available printers.
Examples of GPO. Admin can use a group policy to adjust settings such as turning off computer display at a certain period of time, choosing difficult program, or preventing users from changing internet connection option.
Ulit man eh.
Na? From the...
Basta ang pera mo minsan.
From the... From the top.
From the top.
From the top.